Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Your Indian Reviews. In this video, we will see the detailed review of RIN Matic top load liquid. I have been using the RIN Matic top load liquid detergent for some time now, and it has truly impressed me with its performance. Designed specifically for top load washing machines, this detergent excels in delivering outstanding cleaning results. Links of the product is given in the description. If you want to buy, do check out the links given below. RIN Matic comes in a convenient pouch which is easy to store and takes up less space compared to traditional bottles. The pouch is equipped with a screw cap that ensures the detergent stays sealed and prevent any spills. The design is practical and makes pouring the detergent into the washing machine a hassle-free experience. Place your garments in the top load washing machine drum, ensuring not to overload it. Pour the RIN Matic top load liquid detergent in the tray. Choose the appropriate wash cycle on your washing machine based on the fabric type. Close the washing machine lid securely and start the wash cycle as per your selected settings. Allow the machine to complete the entire cycle, including washing, rinsing and spinning. Once the washing cycle is completed, open the lid and remove your freshly cleaned garments from the machine. The cleaning power of RIN Matic is where it truly shines. It tackles tough stains such as grease, mud and food spills with ease. The liquid formula dissolves quickly in water, ensuring there are no detergent residues left on clothes after washing. It is formulated to give dazzling brightness to white and colored clothes. RIN liquid enables prevention from dullness of clothes so that your clothes stay bright like new. The RIN Matic top load liquid detergent has a light, pleasant fragrance that leaves clothes smelling clean and fresh without being overpowering. The scent is subtle and lingers gently on clothes, making them smell fresh for a longer period. So, to conclude, RIN Matic top load liquid detergent is a highly effective detergent that offers excellent cleaning results while being gentle on fabrics. Its convenient pouch packing, pleasant fragrance and compatibility with top load washing machine makes it a solid choice for households. It truly lives up to its promise of delivering excellent cleaning performance. Overall, it's a product I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.